as you guys probably just seen, I had a pretty nasty accident. My shoulder feels like it's I still move my arm, but I can't move my arm any higher than that without it hurting. I feel like I'm gonna puke. Bike's fine. And I was gonna talk about what motorcycle it means to me. Sorry, I was in a bit of pain. But I decided I'm gonna sit here and talk about going slow. I love going fast. I've always thought about and I've always talked about slowing down, and which I have, but I still push limits. I still push limits. And I, more common than not, find my limits. When I do, they hurt. Limits hurt. I love this bike, but simply just, it's not too powerful or too fast for me. I'm just too anxious for it. I always insist on going faster than need be. Oh, my shoulder. Yep, that's definitely, I messed it up.